were going.
Wagon Adventures.
Adventures of Kevin.
Alright.
Wagon my wagon.
Wagon my wagon. Alright,
Okay. It's on.
Hello, this is the Kevin Show. It's called Wagon My Wagon.
You have to dance now.
Alright.
You have to have it like an instruction talk.
What?
You have to talk really loud, like how to do it.
And then fall down.
First take a wagon, and take a bike, and come together. That's my it.
Okay.
This isn't gonna work.
This ain't gonna work.
This is like worse than hanging.
Run, Chris.
Oh, fat kid. Stupid as shit, dude. This is fun.
Now Kevin's in the wagon.